Some heroes wear scrubs. Well, you know what? Some heroes drive their wife to work at 6 a.m. because there's a snowstorm in the south, and their wife is that dumb hero in scrubs, and she works in a hospital. And there ain't no snow days when you're a nurse that works in a hospital. Okay? So, I do have crippling anxiety about going to work today. We live in South Carolina. We don't get snow. I don't want my husband to drive in it. Anyway, enough about me. Let's get ready for work. Speedy quick. Coffee for my eyeballs because I barely slept last night. Gonna put my scrubs on. I'm gonna wear black and gray to ward off the evil spirits. Non-toxic deodorant for a non-toxic shift, hopefully. She's ugly, but she's getting the job done. And now my nose ringing. Hey, Odie. Good morning, baby. I live in the south and we just don't get snow. And so I'm from Massachusetts, and I told my husband last night, I was like, oh, well, good thing, like, they'll be up plowing the roads early in the morning and salting them. He's like, babe, we don't have that here. I'm like, what? He's like, no, yeah, no, we don't have that in the south. And I was like, oh, yeah, you know what? That makes sense. Otis, it's okay. He's sad that his dad is outside. He misses his daddy. He's outside. It's okay. I never care about getting my hours in on a regular day, especially a day like today. I'm hoping that they want to send people home early because we're not busy at all. Okay, gotta go be a healthcare hero now.